Hi guys, Shazada here. Today we'll be unboxing the 140-watt USB-C charger from Anker. So with a lot of there's a lot of new chargers coming with the gallium nitride conductor thingy material that they use it. So that's why these tend to get like a lot less hotter than the other chargers, and then also in a lot of instances the size is like a bit smaller compared with the old chargers we have. So the main difference on this charger is it comes with 3 USB-C ports, or the PD1 ports. So what you can do is you can charge, if you're charging just 2 devices, you can charge 2 from 140 watts each. But if you're using all 4 ports, the charging capacity does get, it drops. Okay, so we're gonna open that. And also, so on this one, it has like a back screen which also shows you how much you're actually using, and some other like safety sensors in it. Okay, so this one, so it's opening here, and it's like a compact and foldable design. So if you're just close this one, it will fold up. So I don't know how long this will last. So if this breaks, it might break the other thing as well, but let's see. So as you can see, 140 watt. So if you, and also the plugs are at the bottom, which could be, it depends on your location. In some instance, if it's like a high enough, there's a lot of space, it is better. In some instance, because my wall is quite close to the sockets, and then there isn't that much of a space between the socket to the floor. So it depends. So it might work for you, it might not. So just look at that. Okay, so we're gonna plug in this one here. The screen does show like how much you're actually using. So it has some funny animations. You can use it. It comes with 1 or 2 cables, if I'm not mistaken, and the cable is braided one as well. So it's quite decent quality cable. See, and it is almost like a meter. So let's see, we're gonna test that here, and I will test my Rogue Ally. I don't have anything which can like fully go 140 watts. So the max, I think the Rogue Ally go, that's between 65 to 70. I think it's 65, I'm not mistaken. And as you can see, like it actually shows you how much is being used right now. That's quite handy if you wanna see in case like, but like now you can also see like if you have a USB adapter, you can use that to see how much is actually being used. Give me 1 second. It's not reading my fingerprints. Ah, the joys of using Windows. So here, yeah, you only got like 1 cable. I thought you might get 2 cables, but that's about it. So what is the main reason you will be using this? Like, one, if you have like a gaming device, you can use that. And then like now it shows you how much is actually being used. So if you tap here, it has like a temperature monitoring thing and like a safety feature where it turns off and on. So like it's a lot of these features, they're pretty much in all decent new chargers. Well, this one has like the screen which actually shows you how much is actually being drawn in. So if I remember correctly, if you're just using 2 of the ports, both of them, these can charge close to 140 watts. In some like where in the descriptions it was saying 2 charges at 140 watts, but one said 100, another place it was saying 141 on one and 133 watts on the other one. So it provides more than enough battery. The cable quad is quite decent. It might have been better if they had provided 2 cables, but 1 is more than enough as well. So it just depends on your case. And that's about it. So let me show you the design. It is not too heavy, and it does carry like a bit of weight, but like because you will be mainly using this as a like your external travel charger, or you will be using to carry around and charge different things, to charge your mobile, tablets, your handheld, or even your like a gaming laptop. I don't think gaming laptop, but normal laptop which uses between 65 to 140 watts. This is more than enough. Anker does say like MacBook Air, it charges to 50%, which is like 15-inch one, in 30 minutes. So your mileage may vary, so you can use it. It is close to 89 pounds, and if you and sometimes on Amazon you can get it 75 on deal or close to 70. So it's between 75 to 90 pounds whenever you're looking at it, and that's about it. So there isn't anything else you get. It is a charger and it will charge. Yeah, that's about it. If you have any questions, do let me know. Take care. Have a good day. Bye bye.